Hello everyone, I'm Adam, a modern philosopher. In my first video, I said that the meaning of life is to impose order upon chaos, and that I would translate that into a purpose for humanity. Before I begin, I would like to point out that to even consider such a thing, you have to acknowledge that humanity is a whole, and that for there to be any truth to a human purpose, that purpose must apply to not just all of humanity now, but all of humanity's past and all of humanity's future. Due to the nature of this discussion, it is impossible for me to share my ideas and line of reasoning without calling into question the entire body of religious doctrine. I believe that if I do not acknowledge that up front, then my motivation for doing so could be called into question. I titled myself a modern philosopher because this entire line of thinking originated in my contemplation of the question, what is the meaning of life? I offer my conclusions because they make sense to me, and I have a genuine curiosity as to whether or not others agree, and desire that my words be taken in that light. Now to the topic of this video, translating the meaning of life into human purpose. To do this, I need to be exact, so I'm going to go over some words and phrases that I will be using in my discussion and how I define them and use them in language. Divinity. When I use this word, I am referring to a force or entity that exists beyond our understanding of reality with the capability to directly influence our reality. Divine spark. When I use this phrase, I am referring to that which is commonly called the soul, spirit, or consciousness. I define it as the part of humanity that is connected to that reality beyond our understanding. I intend it as a reasoned link between divinity and humanity. And last, divine ability. I define this phrase as the ability to manipulate reality. I intend to demonstrate that humanity has divine ability and thus divine purpose. With that out of the way, let's begin. To understand humanity's divine ability, I think it best to work backwards. Look at the world around you, at the technological capabilities humanity possesses. With genetics, we can literally create new life. With nuclear physics, we are attempting to harness the energy of the stars. And particle physics probe at the boundaries of reality itself. These are but a few examples. There are others of equal scope and implication, extending even into the more intangible aspects of humanity, such as morality, sociology, or psychology. It is my belief that humanity's technological capabilities represent the action side of humanity's divine ability, and that these capabilities are only possible because of humanity's ability to pass knowledge from one generation to the next, resulting in a collective body of knowledge that is representative of both humanity's divine ability and its measure of strength. That was a mouthful. All that said, let me lay it out for you. I believe that the meaning of life is the imposition of order upon chaos, and humanity is the most powerful example or instance of order, possessing both a divine spark and divine ability. And the resulting divine purpose of humanity in this life and reality is to increase the strength of our divine ability, as well as use it to aid in the imposition of order. There you go. My thoughts on humanity's purpose. Please use the like and dislike buttons to let me know if what I'm thinking makes sense to you or not. And of course, feel free to comment.